Hey, nature lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today's challenge is going to be musical and magical. Let's play Can You Guess the Bird by Its Sound? You'll hear 15 unique bird sounds, and you'll have 5 seconds to guess each one. Ready to test your bird knowledge and your ears? Let's begin! That's a loud and majestic call echoing through the forest. Answer: Peacock. Known for its dazzling feathers and proud dance, the symbol of beauty and grace. This one sounds like it's trying to start a conversation. Answer: Parrot. Colorful, clever, and full of personality. Parrots can mimic human voices perfectly. A calm and gentle coo you often hear around your home. Answer: Pigeon. Peaceful and loyal, they've been messengers for centuries. That powerful cry comes from the skies. Answer: Eagle. The fearless hunter with the sharpest eyes, truly the king of the sky. That cheerful chatter brings life to every morning. Answer: Sparrow. Tiny but full of joy, always singing near our windows. Sweet and melodious from the sound of springtime. Answer: Koyal cuckoo. Famous for its beautiful cuckoo, a song that never fails to charm. That's one of the most beautiful songs in the bird world. Answer: Nightingale. Its voice is pure magic, singing even through the night. A deep, echoing sound from the heart of the forest. Answer: Hornbill. Famous for its large curved beak and strong, echoing calls. Wow, that's loud. The rainforest is alive with this call. Answer: Screaming piha. Known as the voice of the Amazon, one of the loudest birds on earth. Hear that soft whistling sound from the dark forest floor? Answer: Kiwi, a shy nocturnal bird from New Zealand. It can't fly but calls beautifully at night. Sounds like clapping wood. Strange but powerful. Answer: this bird makes a unique sound. A hauntingly beautiful cry drifting over a quiet lake. Answer: Loon. Its call is peaceful yet mysterious. Truly the sound of solitude. That familiar caw-caw, loud and confident. Answer: Crow. Intelligent, playful, and always curious about the world around. A soft, quick chirping melody, almost like tiny bells. Answer: Zebrafinch. These little birds sing to express happiness. Adorable and full of life. That nasal honk comes from pink beauties. Answer, Flamingo. Graceful and social. Their calls keep the entire flock connected. So, how many birds did you guess correctly? Let us know your score in the comments. And tell us, which bird's sound was your favorite today? If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nature and quiz fun every week. See you next time. Stay curious, stay chirpy.